You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt.
It's Leonie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a back to school makeup look. So basically it's coming to the end of summer and we're going to have to start going back to school, so I thought I would just do this back to school makeup look. It's going to be quick and all the products are going to be drugstore products, so very affordable. So yeah, I don't actually wear makeup to school, but I don't know, I might start. I don't know, but I'm pretty lazy, so I don't know. If I can be bothered, then I will. If I can't, then I won't. So this video is just basically for anyone who wants to start wearing makeup or, you know, wants some inspiration on a look. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with concealer. So I'm going to be using two. So the first one is the Revlon Colour Stay Concealer. Then the second one is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C12 and this is in the shade Deep. This one is more of my skin tone, so this one's going to be more for brightening and this one's going to be more for covering spots and blemishes and things like that. Also before this I have moisturised, but I didn't want to show that on camera, but I have moisturised my skin. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with the Revlon one on my blemishes and my spots. So as you can tell, that concealer didn't really like cover up my face completely, but it did help with, like, you know, under eye bags and like spots. And if you're going back to school and you're not going to be sleeping much because of homework, then you're going to need to cover the under eye bags. So yeah, that is the first step, but now we're going to move on to powder. Okay, so the powder I'll be using is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Again, everything's from the drugstore, so this is really affordable. And yeah, I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes and on the places I put the concealer, but I'm not going to put too much of this on because I don't want to look too powdery or matte, if that makes sense. I want to look glowy and dewy, so let's use some of this. So now that I have powdered my face, I'm going to be moving on to bronzer and contour. So I'm going to be using the Barry M Flawless Chiseled Cheeks Contour Kit. You know how much I love this and literally use it all the time. So I'm going to be taking basically a mixture of these two shades and using this Spectrum brush and just putting it on my face basically. So now that I am done with that, I'm going to be moving on to blush. So I don't want to use a lot because I don't want to look like a clown, but I'm going to be using the W7 Candy Blush in the shade Gossip and just using a little bit of this on the apples of my cheeks. So now I'm going to be moving on to the eyes since I have finished the base. So I'm going to use the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. I'm not going to do them too dark as well, so I'm just going to lightly fill them in. But yeah, I'm going to be using this now. Now I'm going to set them into place using the Collection Colour Lash All Day Long Wear Colour Mascara, even though it's clear, but yeah, I'm gonna use this on my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm just gonna actually set my face using the Barry M Dewy Finish Mist and Fix, just to set my face, and yeah, then I will move on to mascara. Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to mascara. So you could curl your lashes if you wanted to. I left my eyelash curlers in my room, so I'm not going to go get them, but you could curl your lashes if you wanted to. And then I'm going to be using the W7 Absolute Lashes Mascara. This is probably one of my favourite drugstore mascaras, so yeah, I'm just going to be using this on my eyelashes. So I'm not going to put too much on because I really don't like wearing mascara, but oh well, it's for the video. So that is mascara done. You can put more on, you can put less on, you know, do whatever you want, but yeah, mascara is done. And now the final step is the lips. So for the lips, I'm just going to be using a clear lip gloss. I don't actually remember where this is from because all of the packaging has rubbed off, but it's just a clear lip gloss, so you can find them basically anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this one on, and if I do find out, then like I'll put it somewhere in the description or like on screen or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to be using this and finishing off the look. So that is it for this back to school natural drugstore makeup look. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.
Wow.